What is up, guys? So today we're telling you how to go to the new map, like the new the spawn point, like this. So all you're gonna need is a backpack, any except the e-girl, cause you're gonna be e-girl. So then all you need is 2 rockets. If you don't have that, womp womp, grab it. I'm just kidding. Just ask someone. Okay. Now, after, you're gonna wanna get your umbrella out. And after, just go on top of the rocket. Then get your umbrella. If you go over too high, it's alright. You just need to go on top of the spaceship. After, see that little peak hole? That's where you need to go. Okay. Damn it. I hate when this happens. I hate. Okay. Okay, now after you're gonna wanna go in this little spot. You gotta hurry up because they might catch us soon. Now get your 2 rockets, and then you gotta. Alright, guys, we just died, and I'm gonna take someone to the whole thing. Okay, yes, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Alright, guys. Now we're in the new map. We got busted right here. Okay, and this is the new map. This is where the friend is gonna be, and the mirror. Yep. Looks awesome, but this is my predictions for anything else. I know, like, you can buy slash a stash. This might be the the virtual reality where you go to text tree, and this is what we're gonna be mines is, and that's where forests. But the thing is, it's so small, and this is where let's see, let me think. I actually don't know this one. No, sewers. Yeah, sewers. Thing is, they gotta edit it a little bit more. I have a feeling I have a feeling that they're gonna put elevators right there, elevator and elevator, and maybe this one maybe might be the texture like where the headsets are, or something that is coming out soon. And this is the stage, cause that's everything, and yeah, those are my predictions for the new map. And yeah, this is the new map also though, but the thing is they're still fixing it a little, so yeah. Hide your map well, the owner of Animal Company. Please don't ban me. I'm sorry, please don't ban me. Shut up! Please don't ban me though. I'm just trying to show everyone. But yeah, this is the whole map. And yeah, stay tuned, and yeah.